Is the free software Audacity, which has got more than 114 million downloads since 2015, is good enough for beginners audio editing and recording? We'll find that out. Audacity is free and it is available on most of the OS. It is available on Windows, Mac and Linux, so it will cover the OS you are using. But something is free doesn't mean it will do the job you need to do it. So what kind of audio recording and editing task you are trying to achieve with Audacity? That is the point and that is the question. And if Audacity can do it, then you can think about using this software. Either you need to record some audio for voiceover or for audiobook generation or for podcasting. So you need to record your audio. Audacity can do that. Then you need to do some processing on your audio. For example, you may need to increase the volume of your audio. Audacity can do that. You may need to remove some hissing noise or white background noise from your audio. Audacity can do that. You need to make your audio a bit different using the EQ or equalization. Audacity can do that. You need to decrease the gap between your louder and quieter sounds. Audacity can do that. So these are the basic tasks which you need to do in a audio recording and editing software. Audacity can do that. Audacity is free. Then you may ask why you should prefer Audacity over other paid software like Adobe Audition or Isotope. Well, you do not need to prefer Audacity over those softwares. When you are a beginner, then you need to learn something about audio editing. You need to learn the basics of audio editing and you can do it for free with Audacity. And if you have no experience with any kind of editing software, then the interface of Audacity will actually save you a tons of time. Why is that? Let me show you. So this is the Audacity interface and it is the most easy interface you can see in any kind of editing software. It may be audio editing, video editing, or whatever editing you can think of. Audacity has the simplest interface. So it is very easy to learn as a beginner. If you think about Adobe Audition or Reaper or Isotope RX or any other software, those are actually quite difficult to get started. They have a steeper learning curve and they have lots of features which you may not need at the beginning. But when you understand the things that you will need this kind of feature, you can go for those softwares. So I suggest as a beginner, you start using Audacity, you play around it, and when you have a bit of understanding of audio editing and recording, you can jump to another software which actually fulfill your need. If you need any guidance or tutorial over Audacity, I suggest you can watch my channel. I have lots of video covering most of the basic things and some things in details in Audacity in my channel. So I suggest you can see those videos. Thanks for watching and see you next.